Ooh. I'm an island boy right now.
I'm an island boy, put my vest on, yeah, like a wagwan.
It's an island boy.
I ain't sitting with the gang guys, man. You ain't just slang no kind. Through the storm, through the rain, cause we try home like a line. I'm an island boy from the Caribbean. Que soy cubano. I'm an island boy, put my vest on, yeah.
That's so scary.
No scary?
It's so scary.
It was scary, wasn't it?
Yeah. That's in the
Wanna go for a walk?
That's me.
Let's go. Show me the house. I'll take you guys on a tour of my little cousin. Take me around, Evyn.
And I also like brought shoes I'm just gonna throw.
Yeah. Here, conversation.
We left it and find more things. We put a bunch of food in the fridge. I noticed.
I got you. Be careful right here on the stairs.
Is leather okay?
Yeah.
I don't.
My security.
I'm gonna put subtitles up in the thing if you guys don't understand her. So I honestly don't even know if I understand her. Be careful going up these stairs.
That's what I did.
Want me to carry you up? Evyn, want me to carry you up the stairs?
That's
It's like turf. It's like turf, yeah.
Bro!
Okay, who needs a mask? Who needs a mask?
I do.
You doing a little heavy? Is there? Where's the plastic on mine? I didn't see it.
No, I don't think there's plastic on yours.
Hello.
Say hi!
Happy birthday, dear Abuela. Happy birthday to you.
Feliz cumpleaños.
Going through the backyard right now.
Oh, wow. I don't think so. I think those are maybe guavas.
No, those are coconuts. Oh, no way!
Is it?
Are these old army cars?
Kian,
Mi amigo.
your friend?
Brother.
My friend.
Brother?
Got a dog barking, the rooster fucking cooing.
I'm just making Puerto Rico cool, everyone.
Where we at, Graham? Where we at?
Where we at? I don't see.
What?
I don't know what it is.
Grandma doing shouts out in Spanish?
She goes, no say. I don't know. Girlfriend, you just pushed around. You're so lucky. You're so lucky.
Want to hold my camera? Nah, I should probably throw it actually. We're sneaking onto the beach. I don't know if we're allowed to be doing this.
You're not. The stairs are really bad.
The cops are gonna come arrest us. Oh, I wasn't trying to get my shoes all sandy.
No, that's not like stairs.
What?
Oh, this is dirt.
Oh, there's the water. Here, feel the water. What ocean?
Oh my god, it's like that water.
Really? Yeah, it's not bad. What are we doing? What are you doing?
Natalie, I do it.